Good morning. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is actually my first YouTube video. I always love watching long form content, and I'm so very happy to finally be able or to finally find some courage and time to make one by myself. A bit about me. My name is Martine. I live in north of Luxembourg with my boyfriend, our 2 dogs, and my horse. I'm self-employed. I'm a physiotherapist and osteopath for animals and a canine nutritionist. I love everything about nature, gardening, fitness, nutrition, for animals and for humans. And I live a very simple and peaceful life, so I'd like to document a bit about it. Please excuse my accent. English is not my native language. I will probably say sometimes things that doesn't make any sense, or maybe it isn't English at all and I'm not aware about it. But I will do my best. It's not a kitty. That's not a cookie. Very nice. So girls, Mommy is going to talk in English now with you because the audience don't understand Luxembourgish. But you will get it. You will learn English. Yes, you will. It will be fun. Je mag spazeren? Oh, heb ik eens spazeren? I'm going for a walk. Oh, yes! I don't know what it is, but morning walks just feel so much better than the afternoon walks. I think it's the air. It smells different, more crispy and so fresh. Are we making a little stop here? Yeah? Good thing about stops. The Cocker Spaniel can regain some energy back and the Springer Spaniel can just calm down a bit. Abby? Are you coming down? I hope so. Let's move on. Having a look if the sweet potato treats are already ready. I put them in the dehydrator yesterday. Yeah, I guess they are quite chewy enough for my two girls. The other tray I want to dry out more, so I will leave them for another 3 hours in the dehydrator. So I put this one into a glass container and they will be okay for 2 or nearly 3 days if you keep them in the fridge. So what I basically did is to chop the sweet potatoes into slices. I don't want them too thick because then they would take too long in the dehydrator, but not too thin, so the dogs still spend some time chewing on them. You could optionally coat them with some coconut oil to make them more tasty. And then I lay them on the trays and let them dehydrate for 12 hours at 38 degrees Celsius. And you have to stay under 40 degrees, otherwise some of the nutrients will be destroyed. Our taste test. Good. a good thing about my job as an independent is that I have my workplace at home. It's not an enormous room, but I have enough space for all my materials and devices. The dogs get their treatment on the ground on the mattress or on the therapy table. And of course for the horses I'm driving to the stables. I'm probably not able to film any appointments for the vlog, but if the occasion is given, I will show you some clips. Here we have our last batch. They become more crispy, just as I wanted them to be. I put them into vacuum bags so they stay fresher for a longer time, as we still have the other ones to be consumed. So this is it for this vlog. So if you're still watching, thank you very much for coming along. I hope the two of you enjoyed watching this video as much as I had fun making it. And I think I will start the next vlog tomorrow. It will be about nutrition and exercise routines I have for my dogs. And we have planned to make a holiday in Ireland and UK with Holly and a camper. So I think it might be a good idea to show you what I packed as a natural pharmacy for her. Yeah, will be interesting. Yeah, so thank you again for watching and see you very soon.